Welcome to the Amphenol Broadband Solutions training on the SSB, the SLAC storage box. In this training, we'll review the SLAC storage box features, show how to mount and ground the SLAC storage box, and show how to route the fiber and complete an installation. The SLAC storage box employs a craft-friendly design to protect, organize, and store fiber SLAC. By combining its storage capabilities with other products that manage splices and microducts, a complete fiber management solution for MDUs or business environments is created. It's recommended that along with this video, you read the installation instructions before starting the installation. The innovative design of the SLAC storage box allows the cover to be removed. The cover hinge tab mates with the box's hinge slots. The cover can be rotated 180 degrees and attached to either the right or left side, delivering flexibility that easily accommodates different installation scenarios. A can wrench is used to loosen and tighten the security screw on the door. It has 4 mounting holes and comes with the mounting screws. There are 6 high capacity and easy to use fiber routing rings. There are 8 fiber entry exit ports that align with the fiber ports on the Amphenol Broadband's fiber splice boxes. The 8 ports have rubber grommets that can accommodate 36 3mm cords. The entry ports with grommets allow the SLAC storage box to mount adjacent to the fiber splice boxes without any special fittings. Its ports directly align with the fiber ports on either the FSB-A box or FSB-D box simply by installing it with a horizontal or vertical orientation. Orientating it at 180 degrees as pictured aligns the ports with the fiber demarcation enhanced access box. For applications that require grounding, there are 6 grounding locations on the enclosure. Let's go through the installation process. The SLAC storage box should be configured so that the ports line up with the ports on the fiber splice box. The top and bottom ports of the SLAC storage box align with the FSB-A enclosures. As shown in the picture, the left ports align with the FSB-D and the right ports align with the FDE boxes. First level the SLAC storage box on a solid surface. Mark the 4 mounting holes and drill 1/8-inch pilot holes. Secure the box to the solid surface with the 4 included mounting screws. Next we'll ground the box. Grounding components are available for grounding the box. Refer to the ordering guide section of the product data sheets for details. In this example, we'll be using the ground feed-through kit, GFT. All grounding should follow local codes and practices and company policies. The ground location is protected from paint coverage by a mask, and this first must be removed from the ground area to expose the metal. From the outer left side, knock out the knockout, and using a pliers, remove the metal plug. Install the ground feed-through from the outside of the SLAC storage box, making sure to insert the long threaded end first. On the inside of the fiber SLAC storage box, install the nut on the threaded stud. Using a 7/16" torque wrench, tighten the nut and torque to your company's approved level or 40 inch-pounds. Install the star washer and nut. Next, attach the external ground wire, then the star washer, then the nut. Torque the external nut per company approved practices. Consider the destination desired for the fiber tubes or core tube when choosing a cable port. Routing of fiber is determined by the desired entrance and exit ports. Most storage applications can be completed storing the fiber cords in counter or counterclockwise loops. An S-bend can be used if the exit port is on the opposite end from the entrance port. Mount the appropriate fiber splice enclosure. In this case, we'll be using the FSB-A. Remove the rubber grommets from the ports the fiber will be routed through. In this example, the top and bottom right grommets of the SLAC storage box and the top right grommet of the FSB-A. Cut the bottom end of each grommet. This will allow the fiber cords to be routed through the grommets. These will be reinstalled once the fiber cords are routed. In this example, the fiber enters the top right port of the slack storage box. Reinstall the top right grommet. Since we'll be entering and exiting the box on the right side, we'll route the fiber in a clockwise direction. Secure and store the fiber cords in the provided routing rings. Reinstall the remaining 2 rubber grommets. Complete the fiber splicing in the fiber splice box. Close the fiber splice box cover and install the slack storage box and manifold covers. The installation is complete. Let's review what we've covered in this training session on the slack storage box. We reviewed the slack storage box features, showed how to mount and ground the slack storage box, and showed how to route the fiber and complete the installation. Thank you for viewing this training on the Amphenol Broadband Solutions Slack Storage Box, the SSB. For additional training topics, see our website at www.amphenolbroadband.com.